Jellyfish is a visual effects and animation company, and technology is a critical tool for us. We make it as simple for the artists as possible in order to release that creativity.
I start with pencil and paper on the train. That's usually, me warming up in the morning on the tube. It amazes me how much it comes on from just my scribble to suddenly this beautiful thing when lighting and comp and everything is applied. Getting that high quality render, having more iterations is important. There will always be things we want to improve.
At Jellyfish we have several thousand cores on premise, but now that we can use the cloud, we can simply spin up tens of thousands of cores. And from an artist's perspective, they don't even realize that they are using Azure because we have integrated it into our on-prem solution. That's the beauty of running in a hybrid model.
We can deliver far quicker and more efficiently when we're up against a deadline and we're able to deliver to a really high standard.
When we want to hire artists, regardless of geographic location, we can simply spin up a workstation on demand.
We can pop up a studio in a relatively short space of time without the infrastructure overheads, and then just collapse that down at the end. To be able to do that, I think, is just a massive step change.
At Jellyfish we're using Active Directory and a Linux backend, and when we take our existing environment to the cloud, it works fantastically well, and it's really great to see Microsoft actually supporting Linux on Azure, meaning that if we have any issues with the Linux VM, they're actually on tap to help us sort this out. And the ability to seamlessly extend your infrastructure and then collapse it back down in a Linux environment on Azure is very powerful.
Microsoft are the most innovative and the most collaborative. They really understood what it was we were trying to do, and they worked very hard to make it happen. And so that in the end, it was an easy decision.
They were with us every step of the way, through the deployment, through the setup, through the configuration, and the support was second to none.
Working here, it feels fantastic. I can't believe that this is somehow a job, and the technology for me just makes it so easy to do, makes it so fun.
This is the classic case of disruption for the better, for actually to make our job easier, to keep us ahead. And it just revolutionises the way that we're able to work.